Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to contact an Airbnb host without making a reservation. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Airbnb app and make sure you're on the Explore tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can browse through all available listings and find properties that interest you. It's the main hub for discovering new places to stay. Once you're in the Explore section, scroll through the listings until you find the property where you want to contact the host. This could be any listing that catches your eye or a specific place you've been considering. Go ahead and tap on that listing to open its full details page. Now that you're viewing the property details, scroll down through the listing information. As you scroll, you'll come across a button that says Message Host. This feature is designed to let you ask questions or get more information about the property before committing to a booking. It's incredibly useful if you want to clarify details about amenities, house rules, or availability. Tap on Message Host to proceed. After tapping that option, the host's detail page will appear on your screen. This page gives you some background information about the host, including their response rate and time, which can be helpful to know before reaching out. From here, you'll see another button that says Message Host. Go ahead and tap on it to open the messaging interface. Once you tap that button, a text field will appear where you can compose your message. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself and ask any questions you might have about the property. Whether you're curious about check-in times, parking availability, or specific amenities, this is the place to ask. The host will receive your message directly and can respond with the information you need. In the text field, input your message. Be clear and specific about what you'd like to know. Hosts appreciate when guests ask detailed questions because it helps them provide better answers and ensures you have all the information you need before booking. After you've typed your message, simply tap the Send Message button. Your message will be delivered to the host and you'll be able to see it in your conversation thread. The host will typically respond within their stated response time, and you can continue the conversation from there if needed. And that's it. You've successfully contacted an Airbnb host without making a reservation, allowing you to gather all the information you need before deciding to book. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.